right, we are starting to walk down into the Kanarra Falls. It's getting down into this canyon and it's looking kind of crazy. This clouds got a little bit of wind going on here, but and some snow up there on the hillsides already. So yeah, so we shall see how it goes. All right, that didn't take long. We approaching our first crossing of the morning, and here we are. Let's take a look. The first set of people didn't have dry gear on, and it is nippy, so they're probably feeling a little bit chilly now. Pretty. Look at that. That's just starting. All right, we can do it. Fish just went through. A little brisk right there. Alright, we are waiting here for a second because if you look up there on the hill, there's like a little face, 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth, and we saw some presumably condors going in there, 2 big huge black birds going in. Low bridge. Oh, big old fishy. I startled him. Oh, yeah. I thought, oopsie, sorry about that, guys. Oh, beautiful. Get a photo of this. Yeah. Little spot right there. Alright, onward. Wow, pretty. So cool. It's like trying to take careful steps. Like, don't step on any fish. Wonder what kind of fish these are. Like little trouts. Like, what kind of smell? Oh, so much. I like that little thing from this side. Alright. Oh wow, this looks really cool. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look at all of the things. Ice. Ice right here. Oh, pretty. Oh, look at that. Alright, look at you. So cool. Onward. Oh, look at it's just like orange sand or silt. Oh, look at that. Yeah, we're here for a water walk, so we're going to go ahead and walk through the water. Whoopsies. Seeing cool stuff. All these little nooks and crannies have so many cool things. Hi guys. Going in? Alright, let's do it. Look at this! Oh my gosh! Alright, here we go. Wow, this is so cool!
It's like brown.
I know. Wow, look at this.
Sand?
Oh, look it up, look up, look up,
Look up, look down, look around.
Okay, and back. Oh my gosh! Look at this! This is badass. Look at that! So pretty. Wow, I can't help but keep looking at. Look at friends. Look at that. Okay. Wow, it's like so crazy. It's just like keep looking up, keep looking up. Wow, it's like, where are we going? It looks a little sinister. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely gorgeous. In case you want to take a fun ride down the rapids here. Oh, first ladder. Oh, okay. Gorgeous.
Was definitely a little crazy.
Alright, let's proceed on. See where we can see it back here. This is the road less traveled. I don't want to hop down onto it. Yeah, it's slippery.
Just look through there.
Yeah.
So we kind of want to. It's a trap.
It's a trap. This is just amazing. Look at that. That is crazy. Wow. Look at this. It's like snow, it's water, it's all of the things. There's fish. I'm seeing a lot of interesting things right now. at that. Can you see? Ah, amazing. These crazy little nooks and crannies in the rocks.
I know, right?
Okay, I'm back at it. He's hiding out underneath that little space over there. Oh, pretty. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Hello, gorgeous. That might be kind of cool. Here we go, through the tunnel. Oh, it's like a breathtaking view at every twist and turn, I swear. Watch out, that one's slippery. Alright. I don't know. It's over here.
A little pool.
It's over there. I know. Like what's over here?
In there. Ooh, I think this is a big water slide. Ooh, yeah.
Oh, awesome! Can you guys see? Cool. Alright. Oh my goodness! Dun dun dun! Oh, gorgeous! Look at this! Look it up!
As I almost fall back into the water.
Wow! It's getting a little deeper. Oopsies. Ready for our pulls?